Welcome back to AZ Timeless Motorcycles, where classic motorcycles, real-world prices, and rare finds come together across the U.S. market. Number 1. 1969 BSA Firebird Scrambler. $2,900. Rest in Virginia. Here's a true British twin with character in every bolt. This 1969 BSA Firebird Scrambler features a real scrambler frame with a matching title, making it a legitimate foundation for restoration or customization. Currently set up with cafe-style touches like clubman bars, low pipes, and a lightning tank, it blends street attitude with vintage off-road heritage. It houses an A50 Cyclone competition motor. Meanwhile, the original numbers-matching A65 Firebird cases are included separately, adding long-term collector value. Parked since 2020, it will need recommissioning, fresh fluids, and a patient owner familiar with classic British machines. It's not polished, it's not perfect, but for someone who appreciates authentic 1960s character, this is an affordable entry into vintage BSA ownership. Number 2. 1981 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200. $3,500. Centereach, New York. An early 80s Sportster offers classic American V-twin presence with unmistakable Harley sound and styling. This 1981 1,200 cubic centimeters example is described as running well, making it an accessible platform for someone wanting a traditional air-cooled cruiser with simple mechanics. The black finish keeps it timeless, and, at this price point, it sits firmly in the affordable classic Harley category. These Ironhead-era Sportsters are known for their raw mechanical feel and strong aftermarket support. This makes maintenance and customization manageable. Whether left stock, lightly modified, or turned into a period-correct cruiser, this bike represents an honest, usable piece of American motorcycle history ready for its next chapter. Number 3. 1973 Suzuki GT185. $3,295. Faxton, Virginia. Lightweight, original, and increasingly collectible, this 1973 Suzuki GT185 Adventurer is a true survivor from the golden age of two-strokes. Featuring its factory ram air system and twin-cylinder two-stroke engine, it remains unrestored and remarkably well-preserved. The seller notes that it starts, runs, and shifts perfectly, an important detail for a nearly 50-year-old machine. Smaller displacement vintage bikes like the GT185 are gaining attention for their approachable size, nimble handling, and nostalgic riding experience. For collectors seeking originality over restoration, this example stands out as an authentic snapshot of early 1970s Japanese engineering in excellent condition. Number 4. 1959 Vespa 150. $3,600. Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. Few machines capture post-war European charm quite like a late 1950s Vespa. This 1959 Vespa 150, finished in classic red, has a freshly rebuilt engine and a clean title. This makes it both stylish and usable. Kickstart simplicity and lightweight design make it approachable, while its iconic steel monocoque body delivers timeless Italian design. Vintage scooters continue to draw collectors and casual riders alike for their practicality and visual appeal. With a fresh motor rebuild already completed, this example offers a balance of authenticity and reliability, ideal for local cruising, display, or adding a unique piece of European heritage to a collection. Number 5. 1974 Triumph Bonneville 650. $3,500. Portland, Oregon. This 1974 Triumph Bonneville T120V presents as a clean, mostly stock British twin, with sensible reliability upgrades. The modern electronic ignition, cleaned and properly jetted carburetors, new chain, and fresh tires significantly improve everyday usability. Mid-1970s Bonnevilles retain classic styling, while benefiting from the 5-speed transmission and incremental factory refinements. With demand for authentic British motorcycles continuing to grow, especially examples that remain close to original specification, This Bonneville strikes a strong balance between collectability, rideability, and affordability. It is well suited for weekend riding, local shows, or light touring. Number 6. 1975 Yamaha RD350. $3,950. Charleston, South Carolina. The Yamaha RD350 is widely regarded as one of the greatest two-stroke motorcycles ever produced, and this 1975 example showcases why. Recently refreshed with a new top and featuring Wisico pistons, a rebuilt oil pump, and fully rebuilt carburetors using genuine Japanese components, it starts and runs strong. A new battery, seat cover, and refreshed cosmetics help maintain its sharp appearance, while period-correct decals complete the look. The lightweight chassis and punchy twin-cylinder engine deliver thrilling acceleration that defined an era. While the front brake master cylinder needs attention and the original tires show age, the bike remains a highly desirable performance classic. For riders seeking authentic two-stroke excitement, the RD350 remains an icon. Number 7. 1972 Triumph T120V Bonneville. $5,500. Langhorne, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Triumph T120V Bonneville represents a landmark year in British motorcycle history, as the first Bonneville equipped with a 5-speed transmission. Featuring the oil-in frame design and a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin, it delivers strong performance paired with improved highway usability. This example has been meticulously cared for, always garaged and kept in a private collection. Chrome and paint remain excellent, and the bike shows only 150 miles on the speedometer since recommissioning. With rebuilt carburetors, new petcocks, and a fresh battery, it runs as it should. As the final year for the 650 cubic centimeters Bonneville before the transition to the 750 cubic centimeters T140, this model holds special appeal for collectors and riders alike. Number 8. 1978 Kawasaki KZ650. $3,000. Denton, Texas. This 1978 Kawasaki KZ650 has been recently serviced and is described as ready for the riding season, requiring only minor carburetor jetting adjustments. The standout feature is the extremely rare RC Engineering Russ Collins 4-into-1 exhaust, a highly sought-after period performance component. The KZ650 platform is known for its reliability, smooth inline-4 power delivery, and manageable size compared to larger superbikes of the era. Low mileage combined with rare performance hardware makes this example especially attractive to riders and collectors alike. Values for clean KZ models continue to trend upward, as interest in late 1970s Japanese performance bikes grows. Number 9. 1970 BSA Thunderbolt 650. $4,500. Green Ridge, Colorado. This 1970 BSA Thunderbolt represents classic British motorcycling, with traditional styling and mechanical simplicity. Powered by a 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin, the Thunderbolt delivers strong low-end torque and a relaxed riding character. The seller states that the bike looks and runs great, suggesting it has been maintained rather than left dormant. Original condition BSAs with clear titles are becoming increasingly difficult to find, particularly those that remain mechanically functional. This example offers authenticity and historical value from the final era of British mass-production motorcycles, making it appealing to both riders and collectors. Number 10. 1976 BMW R96. $3,000. Greenville, South Carolina. This 1976 BMW R96 is a well-used but properly cared-for rider that reflects the durability BMW airheads are known for. With nearly 64,000 miles, it has been ridden regularly and maintained rather than stored. The bike runs and rides, includes a new battery, functional gauges, and comes with carburetor synchronization equipment and fluids for future servicing. While not cosmetically perfect, it offers strong mechanical fundamentals and a clean title. This R96 is ideal for enthusiasts seeking an affordable, usable classic BMW rather than a museum piece. Number 11. 1972 AMF Harley Aermacchi SS350, $3,000, Lincoln, Nebraska. The AMF-era Harley Aermacchi SS350 offers a fascinating blend of Italian design and American branding. This 1972 example is mostly original and starts and rides, though it does require some tuning, likely involving points or carburetor adjustment. Lightweight and agile compared to traditional Harleys, the SS350 is increasingly collectible due to its uniqueness and limited production numbers. With a clean title and honest condition, this bike appeals to collectors seeking something truly different within the Harley-Davidson lineage. Number 12. 1972 Triumph Trophy TR650, $3,300, Stanchfield, Minnesota. This 1972 Triumph TR6 Trophy carries personal history, having been owned by the seller since new. Parked in the early 2000s, the bike remains largely untouched, with good reported compression and a special edition paint scheme that appears uncommon. While it hasn't been run in many years, its originality and single-owner background add meaningful collector appeal. The TR6 is known for its strong torque and classic scrambler-inspired stance. For buyers looking for an honest, long-term ownership Triumph, this is a compelling preservation candidate. Number 13. 1981 Suzuki GS850L, $3,500, Brumley, Missouri. With just 6,000 original miles, this 1981 Suzuki GS850L stands out as a remarkably preserved example of a shaft-drive Japanese cruiser. Powered by an 843 cubic centimeters inline-4, it delivers smooth performance, triple disc brakes, and reliable electric start. The custom yellow paint complements clean chrome and solid mechanical condition. Known for their durability and comfort, GS850LS make excellent riders while remaining increasingly collectible. This example is ready to ride or display, with a clear title included. Number 14. 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $3,500, Beldenville, Wisconsin. This 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide offers classic touring capability at an accessible price. While not cosmetically perfect and with unknown mileage, the seller reports that it was a reliable hop-on-and-ride machine throughout last season. Electra Glides are known for their comfort, long-distance stability, and unmistakable presence. For someone seeking a budget-friendly vintage Harley touring platform, this bike delivers function first, with room for future improvements. Number 15. 1982 Honda GL500, $800, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1982 Honda GL500 offers an affordable entry into classic motorcycle ownership with plenty of potential. Featuring a liquid-cooled V-twin engine, it delivers smooth power and dependable engineering. This example has rebuilt carburetors and a clean gas tank, though it requires attention to the clutch and front brake master cylinder. With 10,651 miles and a clean Indiana title, it remains a solid project or customization platform. Often transformed into cafe racers or scramblers, the GL500's versatility makes it popular among builders. At this price point, it presents excellent value for anyone seeking a hands-on classic motorcycle experience. If you enjoy real, classic motorcycle finds like these, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Motomarket Explorer for more daily listings and hidden gems.